How to track invoice payments in Xero. Need to monitor invoice payments in Xero? Here's the quick step-by-step guide. So from the dashboard, head over into your business tab and then head over into the invoices tab. So for me, it's under sales. So simply select invoices. And then here you'll see all invoices categorized as draft, awaiting payment, or paid. So each invoice shows a status. This gives you a quick snapshot of what's outstanding. Click on invoice to view payment history and you'll see partial payments, full payments, and dates recorded. If a client pays outside Xero, click add payment, enter the amount, date, and bank account, save to update the invoice. Connect your bank feed. Xero automatically matches incoming payments to invoices. Review and approve matches to keep records accurate. Use the age receivables report to track overdue invoices and outstanding balances across clients. Tracking invoice payments in Xero is simple. Check status, record payments, reconcile, and monitor reports.